So, are you ready for your February attempt of JEE Mains? So, you are left with only 50 days for your preparation. तो चाहे आपका 50% syllabus हुआ हो या 90%. In this video, I will guide you about what should be your timetable and strategy during these 50 days to score maximum in your February attempt. How you have to divide these 50 days, what are the topics on which you should focus more, everything will be discussed in this video. So let's get started. If I talk about my timetable which I used to follow during my JEE preparation, तो मेरा कोई ऐसे टाइम टेबल फिक्स नहीं था कि सुबह 6 बजे उठना है, 6:30 तक रेडी होना है, 7 बजे क्लास जाना है और 2 बजे आकर ये करना है, 3 बजे ये करना है. एंड द रीजन बीइंग इज क्योंकि कभी मैं उस टाइम टेबल को फॉलो ही नहीं कर पाती थी. So what I used to do is I used to wake up in the morning and I used to decide कि आज केमिस्ट्री में मुझे ये टॉपिक रिवाइज करना है, मैथ्स में कम से कम इतने क्वेश्चंस करने हैं और फिजिक्स में ये करना है. और रात को सोने से पहले बाय हुक एंड बाय क्रुक मुझे अपना ये टारगेट कंप्लीट कर कर ही सोना है. 7 से 8 केमिस्ट्री करनी है, 9 से 10 मैथ्स करनी है. ऐसा कुछ टाइम फिक्स नहीं था. जैसे 2 क्लासेस के बीच में कोई इंटरवल मिला, उसमें केमिस्ट्री का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज कर लिया, या फिर जब मेरा 50% होमवर्क कंप्लीट हो गया तो उस टाइम में मैंने मैथ्स या फिजिक्स से कुछ क्वेश्चंस कर लिए. तो इस तरह आपको अपना टाइम टेबल, अपना टारगेट सेट करना है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप अपना टाइम टेबल ना बनाएं. You should definitely make one if you can follow it according to your time. So you can divide your 50 days in 2 groups of 30 days and 20 days. So during the first 30 days, you should focus more on covering your syllabus, your backlogs, and focusing on the topics on which you are weak at. And during the last 20 days, you should focus on revising your syllabus and giving more and more mock tests. So now the question arises, what should be your strategy to cover the maximum syllabus, your backlogs and the weak topics in these 30 days? So first you have to read the theory from your notes and then directly you have to jump to the questions of that chapter. So जो भी concepts आपके weak हैं, आप उन्हें theory से अच्छे से एक एक concept अपना पहले पूरा clear कर लें and then आपको उस chapter के questions करने हैं. So if you have any coaching material, then you can do the level 1 exercise questions from them for your JEE Mains and the previous year JEE Mains question. But if you do not have any coaching material, then you can only do the previous year questions of the 2019 and 20 year and of every shift to prepare your each and every chapter for JEE Mains. क्योंकि अब हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं बचा कि हम बैठ के HCV या SLONI लगाएं. अब हमें जल्दी जल्दी अपना सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने के लिए सबसे पहले थ्योरी में से अपने कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करने पड़ेंगे और फिर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस से उनके क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने पड़ेंगे. So you can divide these 30 days in slots of 10, 10 and 10 days for your physics, chemistry and maths. But if you feel like कि मेरी केमिस्ट्री तो थोड़ी ज्यादा अच्छी है या मैथ्स या फिजिक्स मुझे थोड़े ज्यादा अच्छे से आती है, तो you can allot less time to that particular subject. Like केमिस्ट्री को you can give 7 days, 11 days for maths and 13 days for your physics. Or you can divide each day in 3 slots for physics, chemistry and maths. So it all depends on you how you want to divide these 30 days, but your main target should be to complete as much syllabus as you can during these 30 days. So what are the topics which can give you more marks in less time? So obviously जो आपके mains oriented topics हैं, in chemistry you have biomolecules, polymers, chemistry in everyday life and the environmental chemistry. In physics you have modern physics, semiconductors, units and dimensions, waves. And the most important topics in maths are statistics, mathematical reasonings, vector 3D and probability. So these are the chapters which can give you more marks in less time. Then you are left with last 20 days to revise your syllabus and to give full syllabus mock tests. As I have already told you in many of my videos that only giving tests is not enough. You have to analyze your each and every mistake after giving your test, and you do not have to repeat them again. And also, while revising your syllabus, you can make one formula sheet in which you can write each and every formula, which will help you the day before your examination to revise your each and every topic. Also, you can use NTA Mock Abhyas Test app, where you can get previous year question papers and you can give the more sample papers to analyze yourself for your time management and to assess yourself. So in this way, you can utilize these 50 days to score maximum in your February attempt. So keep working hard, keep pushing yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. So if you like the video, please share with your friends who will be giving JEE this year, and also don't forget to give your valuable suggestions if any and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.